states and union territories across India are still reeling under the impact of COVID-19 second wave, the Delhi government has made the decision to gradually unlock the national capital. In a press conference on Friday, Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal stated that Delhi's COVID situation is under control and it is now time to take the step. For the time being, only construction activities and factories will be reopened for 1 week. The decision is said to be made keeping the interest of the daily wagers in mind. The Kejriwal administration has been constantly vocal about the harsh impacts on businesses shutting down due to the lockdown. Although a detailed guideline is yet to be issued, the government stated there would be a steady resumption of economic activities every week, albeit keeping in mind the COVID-19 danger.
पिछले 24 घंटे में लगभग 1.5% संक्रमण दर आया है और लगभग 1100 के करीब केस आए हैं और धीरे धीरे रोज़ केस कम हो रहे हैं, संक्रमण दर भी कम हो रही है। अस्पतालों के अंदर अब बेड मिलने में किसी तरह की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आईसीयू बेड भी काफ़ी खाली हो गए हैं, ऑक्सीजन बेड्स भी काफ़ी खाली हो गए हैं। जितने हम लोगों ने ये केंद्र खोले थे, कोविड सेंटर खोले थे, उसमें भी अब बेड काफ़ी अवेलेबल हैं। तो ये समय है अब धीरे धीरे अनलॉकिंग करने का।
After reeling under the severe second wave in the month of April, the condition in the national capital has significantly improved in the last 2 weeks. This is said to be done due to strict curbs on the movement of people. The Delhi government has thus stressed that the progress made in terms of improving the COVID-19 situation with a 1-month-long lockdown should not go to waste. Experts believe that the unlock process should hence happen in a staggered manner.
तो सोमवार को सुबह 5 बजे तक ये वाला लॉकडाउन है। आज एलजी साहब की अध्यक्षता में डीडीएमए की मीटिंग हुई, दिल्ली डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी की, और उसमें कुछ निर्णय लिए गए हैं लॉकडाउन खोलने के लिए। तो सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये कि अब धीरे धीरे लॉकडाउन खोलने की प्रक्रिया चालू कर रहे हैं।
Delhi was placed under strict COVID-related curbs on April 20th that has been extended on a week-by-week basis ever since. As a result, Delhi's positivity rate on Thursday dropped below 2% for the first time in 2 months. While the COVID positivity rate recorded on April 22nd was 36%, it is now down to 1.5% recorded in the last 24 hours. The Kejriwal government has brought the state standing at a precarious point. If the new regulations are not firmly placed, there are higher chances of Delhi losing its grip over the virus. It is now a matter of time to find out if there are any repercussions of this new decision. This is Rishi Sharma from Daily News.